Hi everyone, welcome back from BIM ATM YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create roof in REVIT. So before I draw in REVIT, I will add 3 more levels in my project. This will be the 4-story, 5th-story and the roof. So here is my REVIT window, and then I go to the elevation view east, and then I will add 3 more levels. So in the elevation view, so we can see here is the architecture tab, and here is the daytime panel, and I will click level, and then I will pick the pick line. After that, I will set the offset about 4 meters, and I will click like that. Okay. Yes, here is a test story, and this one is 4-story. I click yes, and here is for the 5th story, and then here is must be the roof. Okay, so now this will become 6th story, and then we can see first to roof story in our floor plan view. Okay, so after that I will copy all of my column and then wall and then the beam from test story to the roof. So I will select like that, and then go to the folder. In this time I only want to copy the column, so apply OK, then click copy to clipboard, and then paste align to select level. So this column will be start from that to 5th story. Okay, here is we just done for the column. After that, I will click for the wall, and then cutting wall and cutting panel, apply OK. So I will click copy to clipboard and then align to select level from type to 5th story as well. Okay, so right now I have to copy the structure framing. So at this time I will use temporary view property. I just click this in enable temporary view. After that I will go to the visibility graphics, and then I'm gonna hide wall and column. Just click OK. So now I can see the column and the floor. So I click this filter, and then I enter for the floor and copy. After that, align to select level from 4 feet and roof. Okay, I just done that. So I'm gonna select roof. Floor. Click OK, copy to clipboard again. Then I'll align the select level. It starts from 4. Test story already have, so 4 and 5th. Okay, because I never copy the floor at the roof, because I want to create roof at the roof level. Okay, so now I go to the floor plan view. I go to the roof floor plan. Okay, in this time we want to get back the normal visibility graphic view. We go to there and click again, and click again this enable temporary view. So we will get back the previous condition. Then here we already copy column, floor, structure framing from test story to the roof. So I go to the roof floor plan. After that, I want to see my lower floor plan 5th story. So in this situation, I will use underlay option. So here I have the range base level. So I will set to the 5th story. So the top will be the roof, and then the anti orientation is look down. So I will set here is 5 and then shaded. Okay. So now I will compare the 3D and my floor plan. Okay, so at this time I want to show you again. Here is my PowerPoint. So in the roof, we can create the roof by using these 3 options: footprint, extrusion, and face. So the footprint, okay, how can we use the footprint? So I'm go to my architectural. Here is a roof tool, and then here is a drop down panel, and I will click roof by footprint. Okay, so we can draw the footprint from here. So I will draw some sample roof here. Okay, I will pick the rectangle, and then I will draw like that. So here we can see the same slope. So if here is a default tool, default option. We can see the incline. We can see like this kind of slope. If we don't want to see and if we don't want to use, we will click this roof line, and then we can and check the fine slope like that. Okay, before I enter this one, I will check again, and then I will click OK. So now we can see from the roof is like that. Roof plan, the roof will be like that. But in the tree view will be like that. Because of the view range, will be cut from 5 meters from the roof level. So that's why now we can see the height of the roof. If we want to see the full height of roof, we need to change. So I gonna set the top view will be unlimited, and then the cut plane I will set about 10 meters. So now we can see the full roof. Okay, so now I show you how can we, if we don't have the defined slope, how will be the roof look like. So go to again the architecture tab, and here is a roof. I'm gonna use roof by footprint again. In this time, I'm only use the defined slope for only 2 sides. So I will select these 2 lines and I will uncheck. Click OK. So how will be? So this roof will be like that. Okay, so here is a roof using the look like concrete slab. So if you want to change another material, so we can duplicate, and we can change the material and the thickness as well. So I'm gonna use the galvanized roof. So this will gonna be about I think about 35. So the rest layer, okay, the finish will be about 5 milli. So I'm gonna change the metal panel. I'll create new material, rename galvanized roof. Okay, set tender. If you have the material pattern, you can use right away. Galvanized pattern for roof. Okay. Currently, I'm gonna find texture. Okay, I will use this. Okay, got it. So save image. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick one. Then it's for the galvanized. Let me check. So I just click the image and then I pick here. So if you want to change the side, you can change here. So I'm going to change about 600. Then I straight away click OK. So click OK and then click OK. So this will be like that. If you want to see the texture, as like the texture, you have to change the consistent visual style. So now I cannot see very clearly. So we have to adjust our image size. So let's go back, and then I will go to the material again. After that, I will click this again. My one is quite small and cannot able to see. So I will set to the 1 meter, 1.5 meter. Apply OK, and then click OK. Okay. Yeah. Yes, sim okay. Sim okay. But this side cannot see very clearly. Okay, just let it be. Here I only want to show you how can we change how can we duplicate about the roof, another roof type, and how can we use it. Okay, so in the roof plane, here the roof with with the defined slope, and here is the roof, the 2-inch without inclined slope, defined slope. So we just click this one, and then we go to the edit type. And here is a roughness. Oh, we can just let it be. Then how can we adjust the slope? So we can go to there, and then we can click this roof, and then you can go here. If you want to get the 15 degree, just type 15. So if you want to get back about 35, you can change the slope again. Okay, so and then one more thing. Okay, so I go back. Okay, so and then we can use the roof footprint tool in the 3D view as well. So I just open the 3D top view, and then I will create one more roof by using roof and footprint. So I gonna select this. So roof by footprint. Okay, currently this error came out. The work plane of this view cannot be used for this operation. So I just got this roundabout. So I'm gonna select the, okay, if you want to draw the roof footprint, so currently we also get this kind of notification box pop-up. So we have to set the reference plane for the new roof. So we go to the set, a work plane panel, we have to click the set tool, and then we can choose the work plane by using name. So I'm gonna choose about level roof. Okay, then okay, so now I can start draw roof here, roof and footprint. So now they allow me to draw. Okay, at this time I only want to draw this tree line without defined slope, only this side. So I'm gonna draw like that, and I can see here. Okay, wow, this room is like that. It's really sharp edge. Okay, so now I can change the material. I just created galvanized roof, so this will be like that. Okay, so from that we have to note down the roof. The roof footprint we can draw in the floor plan and in the 3D view. But for the now we're gonna try for the roof extrusion. So I go back to my roof plane, and then I'm gonna draw roof by extrusion. So now I'm gonna select. Okay, for the roof by extrusion, even we are even we are using the floor plan, we cannot draw here because roof by extrusion, they are based on the elevation or section view. So if you want to try to draw the roof by extrusion or the floor plan, they will ask you to pick some grid line. So I'm go to the roof by extrusion, choose again. Then I don't have any section or elevation to pick, and then I don't have any reference plane. So I'm click the name, and then I will click. Let me check about the grid line. Here is a grid line, so I will pick the grid line A. I go back again to the roof by extrusion, and then I'm gonna pick grid line A. Okay. So now, the grid line A, they allow us to choose elevation north or south. So I'm gonna choose about the elevation north view. So they will ask which level do you want to draw the roof. So the default became roof. So I'm draw roof. Here is a roof, and then offset is 0. Okay. So now I'm gonna draw like that. I want to draw some an irregular shape. So I draw like this. Okay. Then I will press escape. I want to get more shape. Okay. So now click OK. Oh, so right now my roof became like that. So if you want to create some an irregular shape or some an irregular kind of roof, you can use this roof by extrusion tool. So I'm gonna change this to the galvanized roof, and then I'm gonna copy that one beside of this. Then I'm gonna use some roof tool. So I try to use the slope glazing. Okay, now it seems sad to use the slope glazing, but we cannot see the slope glazing follow this shape. So we have to add some mullion here. So I will create cutting grid. Let me check. Okay, it's some like that. Then I will add the mullion or grid. Okay, so now I only select these two, and then I only do this. Okay, now we can see like that. Okay, here is our roof view. Okay, so I go back to the roof again, and then I change like that. Okay, so now I just show you how to use the roof by footprint and then roof by extrusion. Okay, so now one more tools have here is the roof by face. So we can use the roof by face by picking up the wall or by picking up the some how to say that one. So we can use the roof by face by picking up the wall or by picking up the mezzanine wall. So okay, I will draw some mezzanine in my roof story, and then I will show you how to use that tool. I will show you how to use roof by face tool. Okay, I'm gonna create some mezzanine. In this video, I'm I show you the how to draw meson very fast and very quickly. So I'm click in place mesh or place mesh. So I click this way. So I have to before I draw the meson, before I create the meson, I have to check my visibility graphic of this floor level. So here is a visibility graphic, and here is I need to check the mesh. Okay, then now here is a in place mesh and here is a place mesh. In place mesh means we will start create new mesh. So the name will be the mesh one. You can change again. So I'm gonna use this tool and then I just draw a rectangular. After that, I will select this one and I'm going to create solid form. So this will become like that, but we can see from here. Currently, I only select for these two. So I want to see every 3D model in my 3D view. So I just check for the section pop, and currently I can see everything. So just click this meson and you can set the shape as you like. Okay, currently I just draw the rectangular. So I want to change the shape. So I click at it in place and then I will select the top face and then I change like that. Just delete that one. So this will be like that. Okay. How to use the roof by face. So here is a meson and then here is the beside have the meson face. There are totally I think about 6 faces. Okay, so now I want to create the roof by roof face. So I'm gonna click roof by face, and here is the roof, create roof. Okay, here it just select the face, and then I'm gonna change the glazing. Okay, I have to add some cutting mullion, and then this will become this shape. Architectural and cutting grid. Okay, so now we got like this shape, and we used by using a roof. I hope you can see it. Okay, so now I just created the meson, and then in this video I already show you about 3 options of roof. So now I'm gonna draw roof for my current project. I just created the simple roof for my project to see clearly and to draw very clearly. So if you guys want to create some an irregular shape roof, you can draw as you like. Then the next video I will show you how to use the roof opening tools, and then see you in the next video. Bye bye, stay safe and stay tuned.